Are you looking for the Shark Ion RV720 dual-action robot vacuum cleaner? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: 60-minute cleaning time, 3-hour charging time, bot boundary strips, automatic return to base, smart sensor navigation, dual spinning side brushes. This RobotVax brush roll can loosen and remove hair, string, and carpet fibers that get wrapped around the roll bar. While it's busy constantly maintaining itself, the brush roll works with the two tough bristled spinning brushes to remove hair and debris from every corner of your carpets and bare floors. Thanks to its ingenious helix pattern bristles, the main brush roll is well adept at lifting dust and dander. The 5.5-pound RV720 has a compact design. Its 12.6-inch diameter and 2.6-inch height allow the robot vacuum to sail under tables, chairs, beds and other furniture. However, if there are places you'd rather the vacuum not travel, Shark gives you tools to restrict where the robot vacuum goes, a boundary strip and connectors. For intelligent navigation, the robot vacuum is equipped with an array of sensors. Some of these sensors are designed to prevent the vacuum from falling down staircases, while others help it determine how close it is to surrounding objects so the robot vacuum can avoid collisions. Since no technology performs flawlessly 100% of the time, there is an error indicator on the robot vacuum. In the robot vacuum's case, there is a simple control panel that has 3 buttons. The clean button starts and stops the vacuum cleaner, and the spot button tells the vacuum to tackle deeply embedded dirt and concentrated piles of debris. There is also a dock button that you can push to send the robot vacuum to its charger. Pros: dual brushes spin on the sides to grab dust from the corners. Smart sensor navigation identifies obstacles and will assess the room. It includes scheduling options via the included remote. Low-profile design helps the vacuum get into tight spaces. Cons: can get stuck moving across different surfaces. Has trouble getting around large obstacles.